G'day everyone, in this one we're going to be looking at when we have negative powers or negative indices and rationalizing these. So this just means making positive. So you'll see here in our example here, we need to simplify this here. So first what we need to do, we need to identify if any of these go into our lowest base number or our prime number of a base number. For this example it is 2. So 4 does and 16 does. These can be broken up into powers. 4, 2 squared, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So that's what we need to do first, is we need to make all these the same base number. So we've got 2, 3 over 2 times 2 squared, and this is all multiplied by negative a quarter, and then 2 to the power of 4, this is negative 3 over 4. So now we need to use our index laws to combine these here, okay? So we need to simplify these. So this is just multiplying these two numbers together whenever you're dealing with brackets. So it becomes 2 to the power of 3 over 2 times 2 to the power of negative 2 on 4, which simplifies down to negative a half, times 2 to the power of 4 times negative 3, which is negative 12 on 4, which simplifies down to negative 3. Okay? So now we've all got the same base. So this means we can simplify this down into the one base of 2, and we can apply our index law and we plus the powers when they're all being multiplied together. So it becomes 2 to the power of 3 over 2. But because we're plussing a negative number, so a plus and a minus makes it a minus, so it becomes 3 over 2 plus negative a half, which will end up being a minus, plus negative 3, which will also end up being a minus. So then we've got 2 to the power of 3 on 2, minus a half, which gives us 2 to the power of 2 on 2, which is 1. So 2 to the power of 1, and then we've got minus 3, so it becomes 2 to the power of negative 2. So now, rationalizing this is just doing this step here. Okay? So we've got a negative power, and we need to make it a positive power by putting it all over 1, so 2 to the power of 2. So this can simplify down to 1 over 4. So hopefully this video helps on how to rationalize and simplify negative indices. Good luck.